Vegetarian restaurant. Vegetarian restaurant. Vegetarian restaurant. I'd like a vegetable curry, please. I'd like a vegetable curry, please. I'd like a vegetable curry, please. Mild, medium, or spicy? Mild, medium, or spicy? Mild, medium, or spicy? Medium and a side of steamed rice, please. Medium and a side of steamed rice, please. Medium and a side of steamed rice, please. Mexican street tacos. Mexican street tacos. Mexican street tacos. Give me 3 carne asada tacos, please. Give me 3 carne asada tacos, please. Give me 3 carne asada tacos, please. Corn or flour tortillas. Corn or flour tortillas. Corn or flour tortillas. Corn and some spicy salsa, please. Corn and some spicy salsa, please. Corn and some spicy salsa, please. French Boulangerie. French Boulangerie. French Boulangerie. I'll take a croissant, please. I'll take a croissant, please. I'll take a croissant, please. Plain or filled? Plain or filled? Plain or filled? Filled with chocolate and a latte, please. Filled with chocolate and a latte, please. Filled with chocolate and a latte, please. Chinese dim sum house. Chinese dim sum house. Chinese dim sum house. I want some shrimp dumplings, please. I want some shrimp dumplings, please. I want some shrimp dumplings, please. Steamed or fried? Steamed or fried? Steamed or fried? Steamed and a pot of green tea, please. Steamed and a pot of green tea, please. Steamed and a pot of green tea, please. Brazilian Churrascaria. Brazilian Churrascaria. Brazilian Churrascaria. Give me the mixed meat platter, please. Give me the mixed meat platter, please. Give me the mixed meat platter, please. Beef or chicken? Beef or chicken? Beef or chicken? Both and a side of black beans, please. Both and a side of black beans, please. Both and a side of black beans, please. Mediterranean Meze Bar. Mediterranean Meze Bar. Mediterranean Meze Bar. I'd like a selection of meze, please. I'd like a selection of meze, please. I'd like a selection of meze, please. Hummus or tzatziki? Hummus or tzatziki? Hummus or tzatziki? Both and some pita bread, please. Both and some pita bread, please. Both and some pita bread, please.